Road coming from cabin. This big, wide open beach. I did not think it was quite this large. Out to the lake. Be better video if I had my GoPro, but lake stretches down there, I think, for another probably 5 miles, maybe 10 more miles. The sand's getting really soft. And then goes that way. I don't think it's that way for too much, maybe 5 miles maybe. It might be closer to 7 or 8 miles that way. Just see water and the horizon pretty much. Man, this stretch of beach is huge. Too bad they don't allow any off-road toys out here, because it'd be pretty fun to bring my rig and just tear around on this beach as big as it is. Kind of wishing I had a boat too. Damn, people are trashing the beach too. And I had heard that at the widest point you couldn't see across when the lake is full, but sure looks to me like the lake's not even anywhere near full. Say the water'd have to rise at least 2 more feet. And that could be true. I mean, that is a pretty good distance across the water. Not sure how far, but